Whether you're planning a group event, sharing updates with loved ones, or simply want a fun way to stay connected, this video is for you. This video will guide you through creating a group chat on Messenger, allowing you to easily share messages, photos, and videos with multiple people at once. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Launch the Messenger app on your phone. Go into the chat section of the app. The button is located at the bottom. Tap the pen and paper icon in the top right corner. Tap Create New Group. Start typing the names of friends you want to add to the group chat. You can select from your contacts or search by name. Once you've added everyone, tap Create at the top. Send a short message to all of the participants in the group. After that, you will see 3 icons appear on the group. You can tap on Add to add new persons to the group. You can tap on Name to set the name of the group. Also, you can tap on the Theme button to add a theme to the group. If you tap on the name of the group, from the top, you will get to the Administration Center of the group chat. Explore the group chat settings to adjust notifications, add or remove people, change the group name and photo, and even set group nicknames. There you can do lots of updates to the group settings. Check it out and see what suits you and your group the best. Now that you know how to create a group chat on Messenger, it's time to gather your crew and start connecting. Share updates, plan events, or simply have fun chatting with your favorite people all in one place. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.